Alright, we got someone who stole a police car. Who stole my police car. Get out of the police car right now! I'll get him. I'll get him. I hurt myself. Get out! Right now! Get out! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Right now! Get on the ground! Oh, the siren. Get on the ground right now! Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. You always have to cause trouble because of this. Because I know you're such an idiot. Put your hands... Okay, let me see your other hand right now, please. Alright, whoever does this is going to be in so much trouble. Get up. You know what? Get up. You again. Go. Stand there. Alright, I'll move to the side. Alright, let's see who you are. You again? Why did you steal the cop car? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. There is no excuses. This police car was cost over $100,000. $100,000. Do you really understand what I'm saying? Yes, sir. That's what I thought. Now you get inside right now. I'm taking you to jail. Excuse me, can I borrow your police car? Because I need to take it to jail. Sure. Man, I keep going to jail all the time. Don't you say that curse word. I've been going to jail all the time. All the god thing time. Yeah, all the god time. Yeah, all the god time. All right, let's go to jail. Alright, what are we going to do while they're gone? Alright, let's go to the police station. Alright, let's follow them.